Hello students, today I teach you some additional HTML command. Before that we revise our HTML program. HTML is a hypertext markup language used for make a web page. With the help of HTML you can make a web page. We learn how to write simple program in our last video session. Today I will teach you some additional commands. First of all, HTML tags. What is HTML tags? HTML slash HTML body etc. are HTML tag and written in angular bracket. See this, we use this angular bracket. You can write HTML tag in small or capital letters. Okay, there is no necessity. This language is not case sensitive, so we can return it in angular bracket. HTML tag normally written in pair. Pair means start tag and end tag. The first tag is a start tag and last tag is a end tag. See this is our last tag. Body is our start tag and slash body is our end tag. So these tags are also known as container tag. The end tag always contain forward slash. See the example H1 and end tag always contain forward slash. Some additional tag we learn today is paragraph tag. See this is a paragraph tag and we use B, bold and स्लैश बी एंड पी. जो हमने पहले स्टार्ट किया है उसे लास्ट में ओवर करेंगे, जो बाद में स्टार्ट किया है उसे सेकेंड लास्ट ओवर करेंगे. तो बी आई यू बोल्ड इटैलिक अंडरलाइन टैग है जो 1 by 1 हम ओवर करेंगे और बॉडी टैग भी ओवर करेंगे और लास्ट में HTML. After writing our program, we already learned heading tag. We use H1 tag. Writing our program, we must save our file and give the name p2.html. The extension of HTML file is .html. We must complete our file, save our file with HTML extension. After that, open p2 file. Where is your p2 file? We save it to in our desktop. So again I save p2.html. Yes. Here is our p2 file. Open this file. See this. What is the result? See this. This is our bold, this is our italic and this is our underline output and this is our heading output. So this way we can format our web page with the help of HTML. Again I open Notepad and make a new program. First tag is HTML. जो टैग हमने शुरू किया है उसे हमें ओवर करना पड़ेगा. And last tag is /HTML. Now we use head tag /head tag. This is a basic structure of our program. In between head and /head we make a title tag. टाइटल टैग में आपने जो लिखा है वो वेब ब्राउजर के टाइटल बार में आप देख सकते हो. नाउ आफ्टर ओवर हेड टैग वी स्टार्ट अवर बॉडी टैग. बॉडी /body. Now body slash body. Now we use heading tag. Heading tag is h1 tag. We must over our h1 tag. Okay, we all know there are 6 type of heading. And two, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 type of heading. Okay, now save your file. Give the name P4 program4.html. HTML is must. Save the file. Now we save on desktop. So where is our P4? See this. We must open file in our web browser. Okay, save and refresh. See this h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. This is a heading. The bigger heading is a h1 and smaller heading is a h6. So basic structure of HTML is head, after overhead, body tag, and we use several command in our body tag. We can use paragraph tag and write your text in bold. You can use bold, italic, underline together and see the result. जो टैग हमने पहले स्टार्ट किया है उसे हम लास्ट में ओवर करेंगे. Now see the result. Save your file and refresh your file. See computer bold, italic, and then you can see all the tag result in this output. So this is our basic command which used in our HTML program. So here our chapter is complete.